I tried to tow the motherfucking pussy, he can't hang. Niggas come 400 man. Shit get hectic, dog, and niggas get killed. I done told them motherfuckers better watch their grill. You talk too much, dog, they got your homie killed. You motherfucking niggas don't know what real is. Nigga better get it right or read your motherfucking Bible home. That's how you gon' get duct tape, you and your nigga. Fucking with Lil Poncho, nigga, that nigga, he'll deal with you. I ain't playing with you pussy ass nigga hollering by, y'all gon' kill me, nigga. Y'all ain't did it yet, nigga. I'm still out here, a homie nigga represent. Nigga, die move to the fully, nigga. You kept me in my fucking red suit, bully, nigga. And you ain't gonna do nothing about it, dog. You talking all that fucking shit, nigga, you a hoe. Nigga, you and your fucking people. Nigga fucking with Lil Poncho, Lil homie, he'll sneak you. Real shit, cuz, you better represent. You fucking with a gangster, homie, you don't know that. Nigga, I done try to fucking tell you about it. Nigga, this ain't no junior, homie, this a grown man. Fuck with me.